yeah. Me no wanna girl a pressure me as me wake. Like how my real love get a headache. Better if you give me a break. For heaven's sake.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sass. Today I have something special for you guys. Excuse my laughing, yeah, I just think this is really funny. So basically Tasia wants braids and all the braid technicians are charging £70 upwards. The shops are charging £80, £90, all these ridiculous prices for braids that don't even last because their hair gets frizzy really quickly. So I'm going to attempt to do it myself. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I bought this hair. I've never seen this hair in my life. It's called Spectra hair, and apparently it's the equivalent to 6 packs of expression. So, and that was £9.99, so that should do her head. I don't know what method we're going to use, so I bought some rubber bands and I bought some edge control, because there was another method where you could like braid the hair first and then crochet a piece through and then braid it that way. I'm going to try both and see which way works best for us. But yeah, I'm going to try myself, because why am I spending 70, 80, 90 pound when I can spend £10? Well, actually, how much is all this together? £14 and do her hair myself. I ain't got time. So anyway, just keep watching and let's see how I do, because this is a social experiment for me too, because I ain't no hair technician. So this hair is pre-stretched, so I don't have to do all the whole heap of plucking and combing and whatever. It's actually quite thick, each bundle. You can just pull it off like that. And it says it's 25 inches. How it comes. This is like one of the bundles. It's just quite thick. So, turn your head, Tej. I've plaited one little plait here. I'm going to try and attach the plait to it and see how that works out. So we're going to use this much hair. So you just need to separate it into 2 for the single plait method. So that's 2 equal parts. So this part is going to be crocheted through the single plait. Can open it. I hope this works, you know. I really hope this works, because I'll be saving myself some money. Keep still, Tasia. Right, so that bit you crochet, just crocheted through. I just need to pull it. Now, how did she do it? Why is it getting all knotted up? Oh my god. Please. Not today. I've already knotted up the damn hair. Yeah. Okay. So this piece is pulled through now. Let's take off all the... So this one has been fed through. And I'm going to grip it with this piece. See, why should I pay them big prices when I could try and do it myself? Then are they the same size? This one's a little bit thinner. I have to try and keep them the same size too. But yes. Soon I'm gonna have to start charging people £60 for this hairstyle. Be like, yeah, I can do your braids for you, £60. So I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna do a few more and then I'm gonna come back and see if I get better. So far this technique is working out okay for me. So I don't even think I'm gonna go with the rubber band technique. I'm just gonna keep going with the single braid. So I've done 4 plaits. Okay, they're not the greatest and they're a little bit spacious, but they actually look good. They actually look decent for my first try. Not half bad. So this method seems to be working okay for us. Now they're not all the same size, or this one's a little bit twisted, but it is what it is. I think they still look really good. This camera ain't doing them no justice. There, that's better. They look good. So it's like 3 AM in the morning and I've just finished doing these braids. Okay, they're all different sizes, but I think they look good for my first attempt. Look at me, Tej. We haven't hot watered them yet. Turn around. This is the length. The long. Guys, I'm so tired. I've just finished Tej's hair. And I think it was a good attempt. I didn't really get much footage because it was really difficult to try and like hold the camera and balance the camera. But I think I did a good job. What do you think, Teja? Yeah. I'm going to take a picture of it and insert it. But just would like to say, if you've got this far, well done. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.